Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work because this machine was giving slushy pucks, the coffee was too strong and also the shots were too short. And that was because this one right here, sits right here on the machine, was malfunctioning. This is the mechanical valve of the machine. This takes care of brewing the whole shot. Basically water comes through here, goes all around here. This gets compressed, and once it gets compressed like that, water enters through here to this chamber and then it exits out through here. This is where the coffee comes out, and after that it does a shot. The excess pressure goes through here and it discharges through here as well. So yeah, this was not working properly and this was making the shots too short and it was making the shots slushy. So now we're gonna be testing this machine, starting with 1 shot of espresso. We're gonna be using the middle setting of this machine, number 3 setting on the grinder, and this one in the middle. As you can see, nice steady shot coming out of the machine. Really good color and perfect quantity, 2 ounces. We're gonna do another one again. Nice steady shot as well. Good crema. Almost the exact same quantity, even though I did drink a little bit. Hot water for this machine, as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the spout. We do not have the other thing that is covered right here. And now we're going to be testing the steamer of this machine.
Right here. Robert? Yep. You can come around.
As you can see,
Be right back.
machine is getting up to pressure, steady steam coming out. Again, we do not have the cover that it goes on the steamer, so we will not be able to fully test it, but as you can see, there's steam coming out of the one. Really good pressure and excellent temperature as well. So there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.